In this video, I'll show you how to gift AAA auto insurance membership. And if you're new to AAA, we'll include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and start enjoying member benefits right away. To start, open the website, acg.aaa.com. Then click on Sign In. Next, on the fields provided, enter your user ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on Manage AAA Membership. Then on the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Give a Gift Membership. Click on Give a Gift Membership. You will then be redirected to this page. To proceed, click on Give a Gift Membership. Since we already have an account, we chose to sign into our online account. If you do not have an account yet, click on Continue as Guest. Then follow the on-screen instructions on how to gift an AAA membership as a guest. After that, you will be asked to fill out the gift information such as the recipient's zip code, gift occasion, and your relationship with the recipient. Then, from the list provided, click on the membership variant you wish to send as a gift. Once done, click on Continue. Next, on the fields provided, enter all the necessary information about the recipient such as their first and last name, street address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. You could also add their email address, but it is only optional. After entering all the necessary information, click on Continue. Then, select where you wish to ship the gift to. Click on the option you wish to choose. Next, under the Payment section, you will see blank fields. In the fields provided, enter the credit card number and expiration date of the card you wish to use. Then, review the billing information. If you wish to set this gift as recurring, click on the checkbox beside the text that says Yes, I would like the gift membership renewal to be billed to my mailing address. Otherwise, just leave it unchecked. Then click on Continue to review. On this page, you will see your gift membership order summary. Review all the details provided. Once reviewed and if everything looks good, click on Pay. That's how you gift an AAA auto insurance membership. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.